Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best in tech, home, and lifestyle gear. Today, we're diving into the best Frigidaire coffee maker. Surprise, it's not a Frigidaire at all, but the Ninja Hot and Iced Coffee Maker, CFP 307. And trust us, this is the one coffee machine you'll wish you'd bought sooner. Let's jump right in. From the very first glance, the Ninja Dual Brew Pro Specialty CFP 307 screams versatility. It's a powerhouse that brings together single-serve and full carafe brewing, making it perfect for everyone, from solo sippers to heavy-duty caffeine households. It's sleek, black, and fits well on most countertops, measuring about 11.4 inches deep, 9.1 inches wide, and just over 15.5 inches tall. Despite its compact design, it packs serious punch. Now, what makes this coffee maker stand out? First, the brewing flexibility. You've got 13 different size options. Yep, 13. That includes 5 sizes for grounds like small and XL cups, 4 sizes for a carafe, and 4 pod brew sizes ranging from 6 to 12 ounces. Whether you're brewing with your favorite coffee grounds or using one whole K-cups, Ninja has you covered. And yes, it even works faster than leading Keurig machines when brewing pods. That's a game changer for busy mornings. One of the underrated heroes of this machine is its asterisk permanent filter. This isn't just a cost-saving feature. It enhances the flavor by preserving the natural oils and fine particles that paper filters strip away. That means bolder, richer coffee that feels closer to a French press experience, without the mess. And you're not just limited to hot coffee. Thanks to 4 brew styles: classic, rich, over ice, and specialty. You can make anything from a smooth iced brew to a concentrated coffee shot for cappuccinos, lattes, and macchiatos. There's even a hot water setting with adjustable temperatures for soups, instant oatmeal, or tea. Best part? The hot water dispenser is completely separate from the coffee stream, so there's no flavor mixing. But we're not done. For latte lovers, this machine includes a built-in, fold-away frother. Just pop it out, froth your milk, hot or cold, and then tuck it back in when you're done. It's removable too, which makes cleanup a breeze. Speaking of cleanup, most parts are dishwasher safe, and the design is user-friendly. The machine includes a smart scoop, a 12-cup glass carafe, and a K-cup pod adapter right out of the box. So, who is this for? Whether you live alone and love single-serve options or you host often and need that full pot of coffee ready to go, the Ninja Dual Brew Pro CFP 307 adapts to your lifestyle. It's the all-in-one coffee solution that doesn't force you to choose between convenience and quality. Unfortunately, at the time of this recording, the product is listed as currently unavailable, but keep your eye on it. When it's back in stock, it's absolutely worth grabbing. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out on future reviews. Got a product you want us to break down next? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, brew smart.